Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This will be the last video for process data from dirty to clean. We have skipped week 5 because there was nothing in week 5 as we saw that there is no such course challenges that we had to discuss. So we'll proceed with the final course challenge of process data from dirty to clean. So I'll start with that. This is the week 6 assignment, final assignment. So this will be a scenario based question where first 5 questions are going to be on the basis of the scenario of one. So you are a data analyst at a small analytics company. Your company is hosting a project kickoff meeting with a new client, Mayor Kitty, interior design. The agenda includes renewing their goals for the year, answering any question and their available data. Discussing their available data. Before the meeting, you will review the About Us tab on the website and their business plan linked below. So when we'll look at the business plan. So this is the About Us. You can look into it after clicking to the link, and this is the business plan overview. So we have 2.5 million subscriber, total audience, and email newsletter subscribers. They have to do needs and data, and finally will be thank you. So that is the thing about. Made-kit interior designer has two goals. They want to expand their online audience, which means getting their company and brand known by many people as possible. They also want to launch a line of high-quality indoor paints to be sold in a store and online. You decide to consider the data about indoor paints first. To use the template of survey, click the below link below. So we'll open the survey also to have a look at it. So we'll let it open, and we have a feedback also. That will be a file. So we'll look into the file later. But yeah, here's the survey. So how many times a year do you do a DIY project? How much time do you spend on home improvement each year? Do you plan to complete a DIY project that involves painting in the next year? Fourth question will be if you answer yes. Uh, if you answer yes to this question, you have to answer about the amount that you are going to spend. If Mercury offered indoor paint, how likely you to purchase our project? So these are the questions in the survey. So we'll proceed with the answers. It is like as the survey has few responses and numerous duplicates that are skewing results. What are your options? So we can ask for the stakeholders for more time to deal with the duplicates, and we can repeat the survey in order to create a new improved data set. If we think that the data that we have is not quite enough for us our analysis, we can improve it by having another survey if you have time, obviously. Second will be without enough data to identify long-term trends about the videos or subject that people prefer. What are your available options? So ask to wait for more data and provide Mayor Kitty with an updated timeline, and talk with Mercury stakeholders and ask to adjust the objectives. So yeah, obviously if the objective is not suitable and you don't have the enough data to support that objective, you can ask the stakeholder for more time to collect more data, or you can ask the stakeholder to change the objective a bit to get the analysis complete. So clearly one particular respondent, the superfan, is overrepresented. What does this situation describe? So when we're talking about superfan, they are going to be overexcited for the product and they are going to give the most positive reviews. So that can consider in sampling bias, and we don't want that with our data. So yeah, that is the correct answer. Fourth question is if you decide to use a spreadsheet tool that changes how cells appear when they contain the word yes. When using this tool, what is the word yes? The value in a conditional formatting rule. To change how cell appear when they meet a certain value, use conditional formatting. So for a specific value, like if the value is yes, we are going to highlight the cell. We can use conditional formatting and it will be highlighted. You use a spreadsheet function to divide the text string in column G around the comma and put each fragment into a new separate cell. This is an example of what are the commas called actually. So as we know that when we are going to work with strings and we want to split that, we are going to split that on the basis of delimiters. So commas are called as delimiters here. Sixth is a second scenario based question where we'll be having uh, last five questions on the basis of that. So we'll read that. You have completed this program and are interviewing for a junior data analyst position. The job is at B, Spoke Market Research, a company that analyzes market condition using customer surveys and other research method. The detailed job description can be found below. So we can have a job description. You can look it into it. So far, you have had phone interview with the recruiter, and you have secured a second interview with the B Spoke team. The recruiter's email can be found below. So you have an email also. You have arrived 15 minutes early to your interview. Soon, you are escorted into a conference room where you meet Jody Choi, the data scientist lead. After welcoming you, the behavioral interview begins. For your first question in the interviewer asks to learn about your experience with spreadsheet. She said sometimes the team needs data that is stored in different spreadsheets. So we use a spreadsheet function to find the information that we need. So there is a spreadsheet function that allows a data analyst to search a value in the first column of the given and return the value for a specific cell in the row found. What function allows you to complete this task? So yeah, VLOOKUP is the correct option because apart from the VLOOKUP, we have search, count if, and return, and those are not going to return something on the basis of condition and entire row. So VLOOKUP is the correct answer. Seventh question. She says spreadsheets have a great tool for that called remove duplicates. Does that mean the team has to remove the duplicate data in a spreadsheet before transferring data to our database? No. To remove duplicates in SQL query, the data team can include distinct in the select statement. So yeah, in SQL we have a simple distinct function method. We are just going to add distinct and it will be removing duplicates from the data. So, eighth question is there a command or a function that converts data in SQL table from one data type to another? You responded yes, it's the cast function. Since, yeah, cast can be used for transforming the data type. So that is the correct answer. Then interviewer asked in situations such as this one, could you use concat function to add strings together to create a new string? Yeah, so according to the scenario here, when you are going to look, they are going to add some two columns and create a new one. So yeah, concat can be used in that. 10th question will be for your final question. Your interviewer explains that her team often come across data with extra leading or trailing spaces. So which SQL function enable you to eliminate extra space for consistency? So trim can be an correct option to use that. And with this, we have completed our weekly challenge for course 4. And I hope that you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe to the channel because subscription is really helpful. And I'll be uploading many more videos like this in future. So I hope that you have liked it. Thank you.